Alright, y'all, so rice in a pot now. Yes. Guys, welcome back to the channel, Roké TV. Whoa, Lord Jesus Christ. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Roké TV. Today, we got something real special for y'all. Today we're gonna be cooking the ghetto Jamaican oxtail here in our new spot, as you can see. So we got a lot going on today, so just stay tuned. First of all, stay tuned to find out what Jamaican Ghetto Oxtail is. If you already know what Jamaican Oxtail, Ghetto Oxtail is, go ahead and comment about down below. I know it's not regular oxtail, so don't put that in the comments, okay? Only comment what you think it may or may not be. If you're a native, you probably already know, but go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. Don't forget to also check out Ro and I's second channel. We do have a different channel. Ro is actually a spiritual teacher online. I am actually a psychic / tarot reader online as well. So if you didn't know, go ahead and check out our other YouTube channels down below. Just click the link and go ahead and subscribe to all 3 channels while you're at it. If you want to go ahead and follow us on Instagram, I do post daily horoscopes if you're into that type of stuff. So you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a giant thumbs up and share with a friend. If you think it's cool, share it with a friend. It helps so much more than you even know. Put us on the algorithm. Let's get this video out there. All right, guys? So without further ado, let's jump into it. Sunrise, gorgeous. Honestly, the video is not even doing it justice. My God, look at this. We're at the pond, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Taking a morning stroll. In the morning. Prices and dumplings for breakfast, guys.
We're going to get this other blood for $300. $300 salary in this year. Not for a jack. This is a jack.
It's a nice and sweet. Up here, let's see it again. This is the dumpling, so we're gonna fry. These are boiled first. I'm a real Jamaican, so you can't fry them again and put little salt on them, and then they're so good. So yeah, the second form of fried dumpling. So then also we have the tea ready. Tea up on the stove. I have tea in the morning, so we are boiled with herb tea. If you know, you know. So yeah. Toasting, but honestly the next side brown, so it's still really moist and soft. But this I fish them and the dumplings. Yeah, looking good. So this is breakfast. Fried fish and fried dumpling in the morning. Not a bad way to start your morning at all. And we have tea or sweetener now. So yeah, or tea in the morning. Tea. Oh man, guys, I was trying to catch that heron. The great white heron. Look, it's huge. Guys, look at the birds chilling. I'm gonna stop right here because they think I'm gonna run up on them. I mean, I kind of am. Not really run. I'm trying to walk up on them to get them, but these birds are not cooperating. They're just congregating, having a jolly old time. Look at them flying away because I'm coming. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Come back. Rest. So Okay, well I didn't lift up there, guys. Did not take no check. They see trunk? Crazy. What? One dog a bark after me. Mind your business. Guys, I know we are going to see some raven there. Alright guys, so you know the drill. We're unpacking. We're about to set up fire soon. Alright guys, so we have a fire. I want to listen to this fire take forever and a day for catch, you know?
Yeah, for some reason the breeze keep on a blow the fire.
Yeah. The demon them don't want the greatness to go on, you know? So
The lighter wouldn't even strike.
right? The lighter then we bring 2 lighters, you know guys, just in case. I remember the last time in our last video. Oh yeah, if you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. Stop this video and go back and watch it right now. But the last video we even left lighter, so we made sure we chop it with 2 and still problem. So but anyways, we're in business now, so keep on watching to see what's next. All right y'all, you see the ground, you see the vibe behind me. Got a new spot today. New spots. It's really a vibe. We even had some nosy ass people walk by and was like, yeah, nice little ends, man, nice little ends. Ends out. Yo, let me tell you something. In Jamaica, if you're offended by like random people getting in your business, don't come here. Don't come here, because let me tell you something. People just be seeing you and they feel like they could just say something to you, which is cool sometimes, but it's just like, why would you feel so comfortable to say certain things? I don't know. Anyways. And I beg food to like, man, I don't know you. And the food not even they go up on this tea. They never say, no cooking on guys, and just a little cool stove set up. And then I want to say right after, because we don't really get any answer, they want to hear. Because, I don't know guys, we trust too much people in our lifetime and get hurt by people. So you just have to take your time with people, you know? So we kind of just give them a little chuckle, and I guess then they want more than that. And right after then, he fucking left. Me said the fire, I get 1 piece of trouble for light. The lighter them now work. I went back at some, so you see, there was really some demons. There was really some freaking demons, and that's why we spirit never take to them if say nothing back. But yeah guys, don't make nobody force you. What I've learned in life, don't make nobody force you to talk to them, because it's like, that's like manipulation. Like, if people can tell by energy if somebody in the mood for talk or not, and if they say you're not in the mood and we're gonna know them from nowhere, you don't owe them anything. You don't have to say anything to them, and it's not being rude. That's protecting your energy. Always remember that. Protect your energy, because when you open yourself up to certain people, you wonder why you feel drained, or you wonder why your day starts going down the drain, because you opened up your energy to those energy vampires. Like, don't feel like you owe nobody nothing. If you don't want to say nothing, it's not being rude. You gotta look out for yourself at the end of the day. But anyways, enough of that. Oh yeah, guys, me and Ro, like I explained to you the last time, we're not Rastafarian. We're very spiritual people. Ro's actually a spiritual teacher. I guess you can call him a spiritual teacher. Yeah, because he's teaching everybody about in-depth spirituality on his page. And I always leave the links down below, but I always forget to remind you guys. So definitely go ahead and check out his page if you're into spirituality, you want to know more. I know a lot has been surfacing now because we're in the age of Aquarius, but if you're interested, definitely check out his page. Like, you'll definitely learn a lot. And for those of you, I know it's usually females that admit that they're into tarot. I'm actually a psychic and tarot reader as well, so you can check out my page too. And I do daily horoscopes on Instagram, and I do tarot reading on YouTube. So definitely check out the links down below. All our information is down below. So follow us on all 3 channels: Roké TV, Soulful Empress Tarot, and The Journey on YouTube. Like I said, all the links will be down below in the description. But yeah, guys, it's a beautiful sunny day. You know I'm having problems with my eyes. I can't see. Outfit of the day. What up? Oh my dirty ass shoes. Get 'em black. Get 'em black. Get 'em black. Who knows that from TikTok? Comment down below with that get 'em black. The Kodak black. Comment down below if you know. If you know, you know. But the place is so vibes, you guys. We're cooking ghetto Jamaican oxtail today. I know y'all want to know what that is. What is Jamaican Ghetto Oxtail? Soon find out. Soon find out. Soon find out. You see how people at the end of the place? It's litter, litter, litter. Do not litter. Do not litter. Jamaica is such a small place. We need to stop this. And not even the people that fault too, because the whole sanitation system down here just don't make any sense. Like, garbage trucks will literally not go to certain neighborhoods. Like what? What are people then supposed to do? I don't want to know. But yeah, can't blame the people them, guys. In America though, there's really no excuse, and New York need to get it together. But yeah, guys. So I'm gonna go over to Ro. Supposed to have the rice on right now. The rice are going right now. Sorry about the little trash them. But overall, man, until it says a nice view, man. Wish you guys could be here. Hear the bird? I see it now. Just hear it. I don't see nothing. To hide. See? You hear it there? Talk. Where are you? Answer. Where are you? Where are you? Hello? Show yourself. You guys hear the bird talking back.
Everything is something you say back so. If you stop talking, now say no.
Me know. That's why I did the pause them to make their ears and really talk to me, guys. Myself, you show yourself where you chat for. You not show yourself? Alright. Somebody know what that means in a bird language? Comment down below if you think you know what the bird has said back to me. Literally walking through Maka trying to find this damn bird. Where there? I don't see you though. Where you say? I'll come back here because guess who forget salt to the rice? So we got some sea salt water. Can't run out of salt if you're there, I see, man.
Yeah, you see the beach? A beach, you know. Go check it out.
Yeah.
Looking at the water.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna bring you along, but there is one get the joke. See it's here? Hey, infused. Oh, everything is going to be infused, as you can see by the title. Everything is going to be infused.
Infused by the beach.
Infused by the beach side. I'm not tired of beach yet, man.
Go up to the water to where the water clear and pretty.
Yeah.
And the sun pretty.
I'll take you guys along with me. See? So they set it up on one different side. Alright guys, see me here. I'm going to the water. I have to wear my sunglasses next time I come here and deal. Okay. But the water clear and pretty. See that guys? Clear and pretty. Water clean like my heart. If you are clean and pretty like that water, yeah, comment below. If your heart is clean and pretty like this water, comment below. You see this, guys? Oh my God. Go in the water, guys. Take off my shoes. Shoes are dirty. Go wash them off. I see. Beach view. What you know about that beach view? I'm feeling great. I hope you're having a wonderful day too. Feeling great, looking better. It's all about the attitude, guys. All about the attitude. Manifest how you want to look. You say I look good, you look good. So rice in a pot now with the herbs. So yeah, looking good. Alright guys, so we have the Ghetto Oxtail in pre-season.
Yeah.
Yes, cause we want nice flavor.
Yeah.
So 2 bags full of the Ghetto Oxtail. Wanna guess how yet?
I thought curry.
Yes. So it's a curry cooked down. You guys guessed it yet? Have you guessed it? Have you guessed what the Jamaican Ghetto Oxtail is? Comment down below, don't forget. So before we put in the Ghetto Oxtail, then we have to heat up the oil. So that, I don't know if you guys can literally see the oil shake to get ready. I can't wait. I'm so excited. We've been marinating this for a few days now for you guys, so the seasoning well soaking and nice. So can't wait to tell you guys how it goes. But you don't know, every meal is a successful meal on Roké TV still. Alright guys, so we just dashed in the curry in the oil, because for this portion we're gonna do curry. The curry Ghetto Jamaican Oxtail. Yeah. I'm gonna cook down here now.
Yeah, I never really had that good.
Yeah, man, it's a guan, man. It's a guan. Cause you don't want to cook too fast neither if the coal get too hot. And then start burning them up, so. Hey guys, looking beautiful already. Comment below if you'd want to vibe out here. Let's see. See what's going on? See behind me there? The row I go. Where the pot there? I'm telling him, Americans would love to come and vibe out here.
Yeah, just come out of the water. You're wet.
I will salt up.
Full of salt.
You see him chest, guys? Salt.
You're salt. The water is super salty. Hope never gonna see water full of salt.
Salty like these haters out here. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. It's finally done.
Yeah, the gravy really thick.
Yes.
Just make it simmer down a little more and then it off the fire.
Yeah, so let the gravy get a little thick. Take it off and then get to eating. Alright guys, so we came home and I forgot to tell you guys the seasoning that the stuff was in. It was raw seasoning. A part of it was powder because we use powder, but for the most part the liquid that you guys saw surrounding the meat was the raw seasoning then blend up. So them can soak better in the meat. So that's a pro tip if you guys are interested in trying it. If you blend up like your scallion and your onion and literally turn it into liquid and soak the meat in there, it get a better enhancement of flavor. But we come home and we cut up some more scallion and onion and garlic and we put kidney bean in there, though.
No, broad bean.
Broad bean.
Butter bean. Yeah,
butter bean, sorry guys. Butter bean in there.
Yeah, so that's the finished product now.
Yeah. So this is it. A lot more hearty with the extra. If you want to put the extra raw vegetables in there, that's optional. But like I said, if you do it like how we did it and just blend everything up and make it sit in there, you can do it like that as well because it's already infused in there. But yeah.
Come here.
Some here. Yes.
Good. Alright guys, as I say, we're just gonna eat a little bit of it and we're gonna bring over the rest.
Yes guys.
So now really feel that hungry.
Yet, it's still early in idea, guys. Usually when we record, we do it a little later in idea, but today we do it early. So let's see. Guys. Brother. How are you putting on this crack? A nice seasoning.
Tastes good for you.
Real good, real good. Guys, drop a comment down below if you want the exact seasoning and ingredients him use, because we kind of cheat on our look today because we never show you exactly what we put in there. But if you want to know, comment. I'm telling you guys, it's like 100 out of 10 until they say it's good. Like, it's real freaking good. Real good. I'm gonna bring this on my drink with my juice. You can chat to me. I remember saying meat infused to guys. You know, with this type of infused the meat. So guys, in the moment of truth, I almost forgot to tell you guys what the Jamaican Ghetto Oxtail is. You want to tell them?
No, you.
So the answer is Jamaican Ghetto Oxtail is turkey neck. Turkey neck. Turkey neck. So big up yourself if you already didn't know the answer. But yes, that is the correct answer. Turkey neck. So good. And guys, man, actually say it tastes just like oxtail. So don't break off your pocket. Alright? Not stretch out yourself if you can't afford oxtail. Go get some turkey neck. Tastes good. Ain't much cheaper. It's good. And the reason why, and I say we put like the beans and stuff, like regular oxtail, we cover it. See? I'm showing a piece up close. They say, oh, it kind of even resemble oxtail. You see that? Yeah. When I want it, you say it drop, but it's dropping on my plate. When I want some, you know. I'm saying nothing nice in this right now. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you that make up now. You'll probably want to back me down, but I don't care. It is so good. Definitely one of my favorite meals and we cook on Roké so far. Right, oh my god. Oh my god. Man. Weed infused ghetto Jamaican oxtail. What you say?
Jamaican Ghetto Oxtail.
I won't say.
Ghetto Jamaican.
Oh. The natives then just call it ghetto oxtail down here. But I'll call you guys are overseas. Next month you'll say Jamaican thing. You see, that's how you know it's good too, because you see when you have humble people, when they really big up their chest about them cooking, yeah. We find that every time somebody talk about how good their cooking is and blah 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 at ha. Nothing of us. It's kind of like, you know, ladies, oh guys, this would apply to you too. It's kind of like, you know, when you be having like the little sexting conversations, and they would be like, oh, I'm gonna do this, and I'll and and then when you get that first chance with them, nothing gonna say that. You wonder, oh, the thing flaps up. Why? Get rough. Some of you know what I'm talking about. Most of us been there.
Some people just love to chat, I don't realize. Some like so when they chat, they feel like they didn't do the thing already. When they talk about it, you know.
You know what I'm
When they talk about it, they feel like they might do it now.
I'm not gonna do this when I see you.
You know why bother talk about it so? Where you talk about it from? You can flap yourself if you can't live up to the thing you talk. But you not say nothing. See, if I do bad, nobody not got nothing bad to say.
Exactly.
But then a bigger bet yourself and flap yourself and know why
Right, rough.
shameful. Sorry for no.
So, just one easy and take on a humble pie. Eat some humble pie. For those of my friends that may be like that, start bugger chatting, yeah? So, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. I'm about to let these pots cool down so we can go about our business. So we can really get in it, you know. I have to keep it a little cute-ish on camera, but I really want to get in it. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. If you never subscribe, I want me to let you subscribe in the first part of the video. And don't forget to check out Rowan Eyes second channels. Alright? And everything can be found in the description box below. Alright guys. Take it easy. One love. See you next time. Bye.